Hello YouTube, hello guys, hello all of my friends. Welcome back, welcome back for another tutorial. This is a part 8. Welcome back for part 8. This is where we left in part 7. We did part 6. We did this aside with sidebar with our navigation. Uh, Now and on part 7 we did the header with the bars and the logout icon. And then now, this is part 8. Let me show you what we are going to do. Let me open this and quickly give you, okay, this is what we are going to do. We did this part, okay. Now I'm going to do this. We did this header. Now I'm going to do this part here. Okay, I'm going to work on this one now. Okay, we don't need this. Let me, okay, this is where we left. And if I do this, I remove admin folder and index.php, and I click enter. This is okay. At first, you should get this. And now, remember we're done with admin folder index.php. Now, when we click enter, we should be able to log in. Okay, and when you log in as index.php. Okay. Without further ado, let's get started. I want you to open your code editor and go back. I want you to go back to open main. First, I want you to open index.php, and inside of the template, I pass template admin header dashboard, and this is the title. And now we create a class called dashboard, okay, and we have another class called content block. Also, we have header today's comment, awaiting approval, and we have total comments, and we have total pages. That's everything. We have the first thing. We have to place dashboard, first title, and total comments, awaiting approval, total comments. We have today's comment, awaiting approval, total comment, and total pages inside here. We're going up. I'm going to place everything inside here and add some style for that, some CSS style. Now I want to go back to main.php, and if you go back, okay, inside of the main.php, you create a function called template admin header. This is what I refer this one inside of the index.php. Let me show you. We have template php equal template admin header, and inside of the index.php, I call main.php. I say php include main.php. When you log in, let me show you. You log in as index.php. I'm going to take everything inside of the main and put inside of the login.php, index.php, because when you log in as index.php. Okay. And inside of the main.php, we pass, let me show you, we have main. This is main. Okay, I open main inside of the header, template header. This is where I open main when I say main class responsive, and I close main in here. The first step I close main here inside of the template admin footer. And if you scroll down, you got main.class list and full. This is where I'm going to take all these elements, everything here inside main, and place them inside of the index.php. Inside of this title, today's comment, everything approval, total comments, and total pages when you log in. Okay, without further ado, what I want you to do, I'm going to pass some style for everything here inside of the index.php. I want you to open admin.css inside of the admin folder. Okay, let's go down. Now I'm going to comment this for you. I'm going to say main. Okay, this is the start. Main start here. This is the start main section, or I call it, yeah, put a start. And let me copy this and paste it here. This is where main end. This is end of. This is I put of. Okay. Okay. Now inside here, this is where main. Okay, main start, main end. Okay. Now I'm going open admin.css. I'm going to pass some style for everything, the title inside of the index.php. The first thing I'm going to go to main.php. Now I can take main, copy here, and go back to admin.css, paste it here. Okay. This is my first style. I need a padding of 30 pixel and pass it padding left of 290 pixel, and a padding, I need a padding top of 85 pixel. Let's save this, the first, okay, the first style, the first part. Let's save it, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, here's what we got as output. This is our first thing we got. Okay, let's go back. Now I'm going to copy the same main, copy, paste it here, and the next thing I want you to go back to main.php. And remember I told you now I need a main. We have main.class list.add full. This is why I'm going to say main.full. You can copy full, copy, go back to admin.css, I want you to put it there and paste full here. Okay. Now let's pass some code. I need a padding left of 30 pixel. Also, I need a padding right of 30 pixel as well. Okay. Now let's save everything, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay. We need more. Now go back to our code again. Now we need the main, copy main, working with main, and paste it here. Now I want you to go. Now remember what I told you before. I'm going to take everything from main.php and add them inside of the index.php when you log in. If you open index.php, now I'm taking the first H2. Okay, score. After this is H2 inside of the index.php. If I copy H2 and go open, okay, go back to admin.css after main space and paste H2. Now I'm going to say I need a font size. I need a font size of 20 pixel. Also, I need a padding. I need a padding button. I need a padding button of 20 pixel as well. And I need a border button of 1 pixel solid. Is my color, $, db, ddd, f, semicolon. Okay, now I want you to go click on File, Save All. Okay, now save the program. Go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, here's what we got. Our dashboard separate from the rest. Okay. Now let's go down and paste main. As working with main, copy main, paste it here. Okay, placement here. Now next, I want you to go back to index.php. Now I take h2. Now I'm going to take a comment block here, copy this, and go back to admin.css. Put a space after main and paste it, and put a dot in front of the content block. Okay. Now I need for content block, the first thing I need the background color, and is my color pound sign FFF. Okay. Also I need the margin top. I need the margin top of 25 pixel, and I need the padding of 15 pixel. I want you to save everything. Let's save everything here. Go to File, Save All. Now I want to go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, this is what we got. This is our first output. Is our first output. Now, and this is where for part 8, and next thing I'm going to add, and I want you to go back to our code, and now go back to index.php. I'm going to take that the next class dashboard. I'm going to take the next class dashboard, copy dashboard here, and okay, open. Go back to admin.css. Put main space dot and paste dashboard here. Okay. Now the first thing I need a display, because let me show you. I want to make all these should be on the same line. It should be one line to this comment with an approval to the comments and total pages. And go back. Now I'm going to say display flex. Also justify content. Now at this time, not center. The justify content should be space between. Also, I need a padding button. The padding button should be 40 pixel. And I want you to save everything. Go to File, not Save As, sorry. Go to File, Save All, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay. Now you have an idea of what we're doing. Okay. Now, the next thing, go back to our code. We still need main space, and we copy the dashboard here, paste it, and after that, I want to go back to index.php. This is where I'm going to copy stat. I copy stat here and go back to admin.css and paste it. Okay, and put a dot in front of stat like this. Now we have main dashboard.start, and I need a width of 24%, and I'm going to display this one flex, and save everything. Go to File, Save All, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, now pretty much you have an idea of what we do. Now this is I. This is where I put pass the I. I want to fix them. Put a space between. Okay, between them. Go back, and I want you to go back to main.php. Open main.php. Let me show you what I'm going to do next. Now we have I. This is where I pass the space between. Oh, let me go back to where I got the icon. Okay, here we have inside of the main.php we have function template admin header. When for the I, we got everything here. We have the let me figure it out where we have it. I'm looking for. We have blank. Let me figure it out. Let me figure it out. Add index.php. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now inside of this, so go back to index.php because here, let me show you. We have the message, the clock, the message, and the file. We have to separate them. That's okay. Tap to close and go back to our code to index.php. We have I here. The first one we have comment. The second I we have clock. Third we have comment, and last but not least we have file. We have to separate them. But for this, that's why go back to our code. Go back to admin.css, and this is where I'm going to say at this time main, or I can copy everything here. Copy this and paste it over here and put add I after that. Okay. And now I'm going to say flex. I need flex 1 and display. I want them to display. Okay, display inline flex. Also, I'm going to say justify content. I need it should be flex end. Okay. I need the padding right because I want to move them to the right. Okay. These icons, I want to move them to the right. I need the padding right of 15 pixels. Also, I want to align them. I'm going to say align items center. And I need the font size. I need the font size of 40 pixels, not too big, not too small. Also, I need the width of 27%. Okay, 27%. Now, I want you to save everything. Go to File, Save All, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay. Now, next, go back to our code. Now, I'm going to work with the next header. Go back, open, and let me do this. We need main, remember that. We need say main space. Now, next, go to index.php. After I need header h3. Copy h3, and go back to admin.css. Now, I can copy this, do the same thing, and paste it here. And now I can add h3. This is h3. Okay. For that, I need a font size of 16 pixels. I need a font weight of 400. I need a font weight of 400. Okay. Also, I need a padding of 15 pixels. 15 pixels. This is our top. Okay, top right, bottom left. 15 pixels. 0. 15 pixels. Like this. And save everything. Go to File, Save All, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay. Now, pretty much is good. Go back to our code. Next, I'm going to go back to index.php. And okay, now let's just check something on main.php. I'm looking for, okay, I'm looking for something here. Okay, let's go back to index.php. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Go back, refresh it. Okay. Now, this is it, guys. This is where I'm going to stop for part 8. Because I want you to take your time, guys, because some of you got a lot of errors. I want you to take your time to code it. If you got any errors, let me know. This is it. This is what we got. We finished the first part inside of the dashboard, admin panel. This is what we got so far. Take your time to code. And thank you once again for joining me. If you are new once again, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel, share my tutorial with people you know on social media, everything. And thank you so much. See you in the next one for part 9. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.